Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we're diving into something absolutely adorable and perfect for the upcoming season. The SCOPUCI Unisex Children Animal Onesie Pajamas. If you're looking for the best stitch costume for kids on the market, you've come to the right place. Stick around as we explore why this onesie is a must-have. This onesie isn't just your average piece of sleepwear, it's a statement piece. Made from 100% flannel fleece, it's not only incredibly soft but also designed to keep your little ones warm during those chilly nights. The high fiber density ensures it's not just fluffy but durable too, making it a long-lasting addition to any child's wardrobe. Now, let's talk about its design. Just look at this. It features an adorable animal hood complete with eyes, teeth, and a nose, giving it that authentic stitch look that kids absolutely adore. It's not just a pajama, it's a mini cosplay costume that will bring smiles and excitement to bedtime. The attention to detail is impressive. From the large pockets on both sides, perfect for carrying a phone or keys, to the button closure that makes getting in and out a breeze. Every aspect of this onesie is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. Whether it's lounging around the house, a themed party, or even Halloween, this onesie is ready for any occasion. It's not just about bedtime, it's about creating memories and adding fun to every moment. And hey, it makes for an excellent gift too. Imagine the joy on a child's face when they unwrap this cozy surprise. Now, when ordering, be sure to check the size chart to ensure the perfect fit. This onesie is unisex and can even be worn as a matching outfit for siblings or as a cute couple's costume for parents who love to join in on the fun. So, if you're looking to add a touch of magic to your child's wardrobe or searching for that perfect gift that combines comfort and cuteness, look no further than the SCOPUCI Unisex Children Animal Onesie Pajamas. It's not just clothing, it's a gateway to endless imagination and cozy moments. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and insightful product features. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay cozy and keep exploring the world of amazing products with us. Take care.